In 1964, a Jaguar with low-drag aluminum bodywork screamed around the Nürburgring and nearly finished Le Mans. Now, someone has built that car again from scratch, and it is absolutely savage. Jaguar built the original E-Type Lightweight in 1963, their answer to Ferrari's 250 GTO. Only 12 were ever made. This recreation is inspired by chassis 4868YK, the one modified with Malcolm Sayre's radical low-drag body, built by Classic Performance Restorations in Arizona and hand-formed entirely in aluminum by Tin Element in Colorado. Every panel, every rivet, over 6 years of work. Look at this thing. A fastback profile with faired-in headlights, leather hood straps, sail panel vents, a Monza-style fuel filler through the trunk, every detail straight from the 1964 race car. The Lexan windows were custom-made by an aircraft company in California. The door segments actually power-operated. This isn't a replica, it's a time machine. Under that aluminum hood is a 3.8-liter XK inline-six with a wide-angle competition cylinder head, dry-sump lubrication, and a Lucas individual throttle body injection system controlled by MoTeC drive-by-wire electronics. On the dyno, it made 319 horsepower and 298 pound-feet of torque. That goes through a Tremec 5-speed manual and limited-slip diff, sitting on custom Penske adjustable shocks. This car handles like it was designed on a race circuit, because it was. Inside, tan Garrett leather covers everything. The bucket seats, door panels, rear bulkhead. There's a TIG-welded roll cage, Willen's 6-point harnesses, and a fire suppression system built in. But it also has air conditioning and a Bose Bluetooth speaker. The Freedom CAN bus dash shows 160 miles per hour on the speedo and 8,000 RPM on the tach. It has 2,000 miles on it since the build. This car is barely broken in. 6 years to build. One road event, the 2022 Copper State 1000. Complete construction invoices and photos. An Arizona title. If you've ever wanted a race car that makes history every time you drive it, this is the one. Link in the description. Don't wait. PureRtech. Like, comment, and subscribe.